This video is being brought to you by NeetoWare. Please visit us at NeetoWare.com.
That's Neato!
Hello, my name is Paul, and it's my pleasure to take the next few minutes to introduce you to the latest software offering from NeetoWare, and it is EnDec for Android. We have an EnDec for the Windows desktop, and now we have EnDec for Android, and they are compatible by NeetoWare. NeetoWare, bringing you software solutions for productivity and privacy. As you can see here, we're looking at a high-level overview of the main screen of EnDec, and we're going to zoom into that top section and really focus on it for a few minutes, just the main buttons and areas that are up there. First section in the upper left is the 5-digit key label. It can be alpha, numeric, lowercase and uppercase are different, and you can enter your up to a 5-digit key in this space right here. When you're ready to shut the program down, use the shutdown button in the upper right hand corner. When you want to clear a message that you've sent or received, you can use the clear text, and when you want to clear the message and the key that you've put in, use clear all. The help button will allow you to bring up a screen that will walk you through each of the buttons that are on this screen and show you how to use them. There are two main ways that you use EnDec. Either you're trying to read a message that someone has sent you that's encrypted, or you're trying to send a message to someone that is encrypted. So if someone sends you a message that's encrypted, it's going to be in your clipboard, and you're going to use this button to decrypt a message from the clipboard. When you're looking to reply to someone with an encrypted message, you'll have your key in above, you'll have your message typed out below, and you'll press the encrypt message to clipboard. It will take your message that's below and encrypt the message and copy it to your Android clipboard. Just below the decrypt and encrypt buttons is the message box, and we'll kind of scroll down the page to see a larger section of that. This is where you're going to read messages that are decrypted and type messages to encrypt. Just below the message area, you're going to find an area called the Fragment Shift. Now what happens is sometimes when a carrier sends a message, they might insert some characters at the beginning of the message, or they might even split it up. In this case, you might have to use the Fragment Shift to align the key with the message you're trying to decrypt. Another reason you might need this is if your copy function inside of your text service or messenger or something, maybe it copies some sort of a header, in which case it's not part of the original encrypted message. So just use the shift 1, 2, 3, and 4 one at a time until you can read the message. For the next minute or so, I'm going to actually take you through a demonstration on how to use the software. It's done with screenshots, so you won't actually see any typing done or anything like that. It's just a little easier to do it with screenshots, but it should make sense. So we're going to take the illustration of someone has sent you a text message that's encrypted, and we're going to walk you through the process of taking that message, reading it, and then replying back to them. So let's say that they've sent you a text message. You simply tap the message that they sent you with your finger and then select copy as it comes up. You'll see copy as an option. So you choose to copy text, and what that does is copies to your clipboard. You go into your EnDec software, you type in your 5-digit key. In this illustration we're using the word Paris. You click on the button that says decrypt message from clipboard, and boom, the message will show up inside the message box. So now we've been able to read the message that came to us encrypted, but now we'd like to either originate a message or we want to respond. So let's clear the text, and that's going to clear the message box, but leave our key intact. Let's type in whatever message response we're wanting to give or original message that we're generating. We simply press the button that says encrypt message to clipboard, and what that does is encrypts the message that's in the message area, and it also copies that message onto our Android clipboard so that we can go to whatever software we want and use it. In this case, we're going to use a chat software. Press and hold the enter area, choose to paste the message into the chat software. Once we've pasted the information in there, all we do is simply click on the send button, and that message that is now encrypted, that nobody can read if they get a hold of your phone, has been sent. I trust that you have enjoyed this introduction to EnDec software for Android. Remember, we've also got a Windows desktop version of this available. Please visit us at NeetoWare.com. NeetoWare, bringing software solutions for productivity and privacy. This video is being brought to you by NeetoWare. Please visit us at NeetoWare.com.
That's Neato!